Just a quick little bit of information on fixing a reasonably common problem on this Mercedes E250 2011. W212 om651 engine. Stereo issue. So the stereo issue is originated from water going down here and into where it drains into the footwells. So down here, if you turn the steering wheel, you can get into the footwells and then clip off the little pinched part for the drainage. So that pinched part remained on this car. The water went up and slowly but surely the drip from here it all ended up between there and into the footwell. Well, unfortunately that results in little, how can I open it up here? I should have done this earlier, but you know how it is. They don't make these easy to open. There we go. So that resulted in, this is of course, that is the driver's, an Australian car, so we drive on the left hand side. It might be different in America, but it resulted in water in the footwell here, and of course the drainage plugs have now been removed here so it can drain. However, that little blue thing here, as you can see, there's loose wires, there is a nice amount of, how should we put this, corrosion in there. So essentially the stereo worked and one day it just suddenly stopped. No fuses, no other symptoms. When you put the OBD2 on it, it just goes, well, you know, you're just not connected. So this little blue one is the connection between the stereo header and the amplifier on the back left hand side, or port if you think it's a boat. Port and starboard, whatever you like. So as you can see, corrosion is bad there. So what I'm going to do is cut these and rejoin them, and hopefully that should fix it. But yeah, clearly there's a problem there. Hopefully that's the only one. We'll find out later. Enjoy. Anyway, this is just an idea so that you can have a rough idea if you have the same sloshing symptoms in your Mercedes due to, I can only describe as a fault floor. Cheerio.